Most people think data science is about building models, running algorithms, and using fancy tools. That's the part everyone shows. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Most real data scientists don't spend their time on models. They spend it fixing data. And if that sounds boring, that's exactly why most people underestimate it. Data cleaning and data wrangling is where real work happens. And if you skip this step, everything that comes after is unreliable. Now think about this in a simple way. Imagine you're analyzing sales data, but half the entries are missing. Some prices are recorded in different currencies, dates are in inconsistent formats, and a few rows are duplicated. If you run analysis on this data, your results will be wrong, even if your logic is perfect. This is what real-world data looks like. It's messy, inconsistent, and often incomplete. That's why before you analyze anything, you need to clean it, structure it, and make it usable. Data cleaning is about fixing problems, handling missing values, removing duplicates, correcting errors, standardizing formats. Data wrangling goes one step further. It's about transforming raw data into a structured form that can actually be analyzed. That might mean combining multiple data sets, reshaping tables, creating new variables, or filtering out irrelevant information. It's not just cleaning, it's preparing data for meaningful use. And here's the part most beginners don't realize. This step takes the majority of the time. In real projects, 70 to 80% of effort goes into cleaning and preparing data, not building models. That's why professionals treat this as a core skill, not a side task. Even early statisticians like John Tukey emphasize the importance of exploring and understanding data before applying any formal analysis. Because if you don't understand your data, you're just blindly running calculations. This is also where critical thinking comes in. You don't just clean data, you make decisions. Should you remove missing values or fill them? Should you drop outliers or keep them? Should you trust a data source or question it? These choices directly affect your results. Two people can clean the same data set differently and end up with completely different conclusions. That's why this step is not mechanical, it's analytical. Now add AI into the mix, and this becomes even more important. AI models are only as good as the data they're trained on. If your data is noisy or biased, your model will learn the wrong patterns. This is why companies invest heavily in data pipelines and pre-processing systems. Because no matter how advanced the algorithm is, bad data will always produce bad results. At the Learning Studio, the goal isn't to glamorize data science, it's to show you where the real value lies. And the reality is, the people who master data cleaning and wrangling are the ones who build reliable systems. Because once you understand how to fix and structure data, you're no longer dependent on perfect data sets. You can work with real-world data. And that's what separates someone who just knows tools from someone who actually knows how to solve problems.